Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's discuss how to find trending hashtags on X. So let's open X application on my phone, and you want to navigate to Explore tab, which is located at the bottom side of the screen, and it looks like magnifying glass icon. And at the top, let's go to Trending section specifically. And this is the section that provides a real-time list of popular topics and also hashtags, which can be personalized to you specifically, or you can manually customize them. So let's tap gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and go to this option that says show content in your current location. So if you turn it on, then you will see what is happening around you right now in real time. But if you disable it and go to explore locations, you can set a specific country or even city, and it will show content that is popular in this or that area. Yes, so you can use this trending section in order to see popular hashtags. For example, this is the hashtag that is popular in my country, and also some other. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.